Yes, hi. Good evening to everybody. Today we are discussing second class, right? Okay. Uh, Today we can discussing about second class, that is remaining. Yesterday we discussed in the chapter one. It is the few of them, right? This one and Java introduction, Java features, Java installation, how to install Java, and Java programming execution flow, okay, and then Java programming elements, okay, uh, and yes, Java programming development is also completed, huh? Yes, element up to element was completed, right? Yesterday. Yesterday means this is yesterday what date? Sixth, sixth, 11, okay, and today we're discussing here. So, okay. uh Yes, we are discussing today what? This one. Next question. Java, this things we can discuss today, okay? Go here, next here. Today, second class, right? Before that, please subscribe my channel and share, share your friends, okay? So about my channel, you can share and they also learn about Java related things, okay? Right. It is Java programming development, right? So discussion. Means it is we can take one example as well, right? Yes, just you need to open. Okay, here just open one notepad. Okay, and write class. Okay, this is my main class, and here you can declare. You can print whatever it is. Um, uh, Here printing. Welcome, welcome to uh, Java full stack. Okay. Uh, okay. This is the class declaration. How we are declaring? How we can declare? Just observe this one, right? This one we can observe. Uh, It is class is first letter is capital letter. You should observe. You can notice these things in the class. Who is capital letter? We started. Okay. In the method, you can start small letter like that. You can mention or you can remember those things. Okay. And public static void main means that it can access any class and it is the only one time you can create. Okay. And it is the return type is void and this is main class, right? Here argument of the string argument. It is system.out.println means this is the sysout always indicate as the monitor. Okay, that's the reason we creating here like that. Okay, and then you can save as this name only. Okay, save as dot extension Java. Okay, and all here where I can save this one in the D Java program. Okay, I'm sharing here. Okay, I already saved that one. Okay, how we can execute this program? I'm using Java 17. Two ways you can execute program. Okay, without compilation and with compilation. So before Java 1.8, after sorry, it is after Java 11, they don't need to execute Java C and file name .java like that. Don't need to explicitly execute. I will check here, right? You can open that one, this one, right? In that CMD, okay. Uh, just you need to Java without compilation, okay? Java welcome. That's it, right? Class not found exception. Why means no class not found exception? Just wait. Full static. Welcome. Full static while mentioning again. It's fine, right? Then why not? It is wait. Why not? It is showing. Could not find the load on main class. Just Java. Because I am using the Java 17, right? Java 11, no need to, no need to explicitly Java C compilation, Java 11, but Java 17, you should definitely you should use Java C welcome Java. Okay, it is pretty great. It is working. That welcome to Java means my first program is executed successfully. Yes, is it fine? My first program is executed successfully. Here, small correction. In the Java 11, no need to use this command for the compilation purpose. It will internally, it will take, but I am using Java 17. That's the reason I am using Java C welcome.java. Okay. And then just you need to go in our class. This is welcome.class. This is the bytecode. Okay, this is the dot class file bytecode here, right? Have you understanding this one? No, right? It should understood by JVM, okay, and it will convert to the JVM. It is bytecode to the mission language, okay. It is not human readable, right? It is not human readable. That's the reason we don't understand. Okay, didn't understand this one. Okay, this one dot class file is very important, right? is the it is class file. It is also type of that file is class file. Okay, this one Java file, right? Hmm. You are remember this one. This is the our class model. This class model we created welcome. In the signature, definitely we should mention class as a capital letter, first letter. Okay. And public static void main. This is the signature of the main class. Okay. And here passing the string argument. And here system.out.println. Printing the screen. Okay. Printing the monitor here. Okay. That's it. That is the main first program. Okay. And coming to the next topic, what we have to discuss compilation. Whatever compiled is completed, Java C, this one. This you should remember. Java C welcome.java. This is the compilation. When I given it in this instruction or this code, okay, it will automatically compile that given class, okay, and it will produce as a dot class file. This one. When I given this command Java C welcome.java, it will produce as welcome.class. This is the class file. That class file, what will have that class file? What contain? It contain bytecode only. Bytecode means it is not human readable. It will understood by JVM, and JVM is converted to the mission code to the it will convert to the mission code. Okay, mission understandable language it will convert. Okay, in the runtime. Okay, this is a compilation and execution also completed. Okay, first program of the execution completed. Okay, just you should remember these things. How to write the class, this class model. Okay, in the class model, this signature is must ensure. Okay, and this one class name as its class name as a file name. Same. If it is not matched, it will get that again this error, right? This class not found exception. It will give the exception. Okay, it will produce this exception. That's the reason you should follow the same instructions. Okay. Yes. And next topic is translator. Translator. What is translator? Here, translator they have three types, right? They produce three types of translators. Three types. Okay, that is interpreter, compiler, and assembler. Okay, interpreter, compiler, and assembler. Okay, this is these are the three types of the translators. What is nothing but translator? Tell me. Translator is nothing but translate. Then by using the interpreter, line by line, it will convert. Okay, line by line of the it will convert to the program line by line. Okay, that is it is slow. That's the reason they have invented compiler as well. This compiler, all lines of the code, it will compile at a time. Okay, all lines of the code compile at a time, and it will produce as a output. Okay, this performance is the fast. Compiler performance is the fast. Interpreter is slow. Okay, interpreter is slow because interpreter internally they working as a line by line code translation, right? In the compiler, all of the line at a time it will compiling. Okay, And coming to the assembler. What is assembler? We today we discussed this one, right? Dot class file. This dot class file, it should understand assembler. Okay, okay. This is assembling language, right? This assembling language, what will do by using the assembler, it will convert the mission readable language. Okay. Internally, JVM has a assembler. By using the assembler, JVM internal JVM is a assembler. That assembler will convert the assembly language to the mission readable language. Okay. That is the main use here. Okay. Main purpose for the assembler only. Okay. Assembler should understand the assembling language. That is the reason assembler will convert assembling language. That assembling bytecode language is nothing but is the assembling language. That bytecode language is converted to the JVM to the mission readable language. Okay. That's all about three types of translators. Right. Interpreter, it will line by line, it will convert. Compiler, all lines at a time it will convert, and assembler, assembly language to the mission readable language it will convert. Okay, yes, that's all about. And uh, one more thing here. Next topic is JVM architecture, right? JVM architecture. Just you need to paste here, and you can take from the Google JVM architecture. Okay, JVM architecture, just search. Okay, images. Lot of the images they have, right? Lot of the images they have. I will taking one image here, copy. Not copy, save as image. The desktop I am saving. Okay. It is saved that one, right? Let's we can discuss about JVM architecture. This is the JVM architecture internally, but this JVM can't how I can say can't see for our eyes. It will internally JDK has a JVM, but JVM can't see anywhere. Okay, whatever it is, this class loader what will do? Whatever the dot class file is produces, the dot class file it will load into the JVM by using the class loader. Okay, the JVM inside the JVM they will load. Okay, by using the class loader. Inside this is the JVM. Inside the JVM, they have a one component, class loader component. The class loader component load the dot class file. Whatever this produces, the dot class file, it will load. Okay, and then it will move to the if we have the class level coding. This one, okay, where it is this class level coding, right? This class level coding it will store in the class area. Okay, this class level coding store in the class area. If we created an object, welcome w is equal to new welcome, for example, that object will store in the heap area. That object store in the heap area. Class related object, class related thing, class related code is stored in the class area, and object related code in store in heap area. Okay, and uh, then it is stack. What is stack? A stack is nothing but it is a maintain the non-Java code. It will maintain the non-Java code information native stack is non-Java code information. It will maintain, but Java stack or stack, it will mention execution information of the method execution information. That class has a lot of things, right? Here, right? Class is a object, for example, obj, and method, uh, method. Inside a method, we will write the logic or business logic execution flow. We can write here inside the method, right? That also inside the method or outside the method, I can variable as well. Okay, class is nothing but it's a variable, and methods. It will binding. Okay, it will binding. It is the OOPS concept. Under the OOPS concept, we can discuss that one. Binding of that method and variables, right? But when the object is created, that object related thing is stored inside the heap area, and method relation, whatever it is, how to execute the method, and what is the inside all those things, it will execution information of that method information, it will store in the stack area. And PC register area, it will store next line information. What is next? For example, when stored in the Java, when stored in the this class inside the class area, and this will identify PC register. What is next? Means next store in the object. Okay. Next store in the object in the heap area. Again, PC register. Next execution information is register in the PC register, and next method area. Likewise, but when method area is method area related thing execution is execution flows is the stack area. Okay, stack area what will contain method execution information. PC register next line information. Native method stack, it is the native method stack. It is non-Java code related. Okay, non-Java code related thing to store, and then it is execution engine. That execution engine again they has interpreter and JIT, right? By help of the interpreter and JIT, it will execute that program by using JVM. Okay, and native methods and native interfaces is there. That native methods and native interfaces. For example, native interfaces, it will load the native libraries to the JVM. For example, our native method libraries, it will execute the program and provide the sorry, it is non-Java libraries related to non-Java library related thing. It will store in the native libraries. Okay, native here actually they have the native libraries and native interfaces. Okay, native interfaces they have what? Load the native libraries. Native libraries what? It will non-Java libraries. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Quick discussion again. What we have discussed right now today. Here we discussed these things, right? In Java programming development, how we can create the Java class, and how we can save the Java class, and how we can execute the Java class, the instructions, execution instruction, how these things we learn in the Java programming development. Okay, what is the compilation and what is the dot class file? Dot class file, what type of information is stored? What is bytecode? Okay, and execution flow of the dot class file. Okay, what is translator? Translator they has three types, right? There is interpreter and compiler and assembler. And interpreter is it will only one line by line it will execute the program by using the interpreter. but compiler all line execute at a time by using compiler. Here performance is slow in the interpreter, in the compiler performance is the fast. And assembler what will do? The dot class file won't understand, right? It will translate assembling language into the mission readable language, okay, by using the assembler. And class model, how we can create the class model, okay. This is the signature of the class, okay. First letter you can write capital letter, and here string. You should, most of the freshers they don't know how we can write, but you should know this is the signature. First letter of the S is in the string word, first letter of the S is capital, right? In the system, first letter of the S. These are the syntaxes you should remember. Otherwise, it will get the exception. Okay? This is the class model. This is the class model. First program we executed successfully today. Right? Whatever it is, that first program is created here. When executed some of the instruction here, like Java C welcome.java. It is Java C is the compiler, right? Java compiler compiling the welcome.java class. Okay, by using the Java C instructions, and then we can directly print the Java welcome. Okay, this is Java welcome and welcome to Java full stack group. It will printing whatever it is. We print here in the SOP. It will print here, right? That is called successfully run first program, and then it will created one dot class file. That dot class file contain bytecode. This bytecode can't understand human. It should understand it is the assembly language. That assembler will take care of this one. Okay, the assembler will take care of this one, and by using the assembler, it will convert. JVM will use assembler. Okay, and that assembler it will convert to the assembly language to the mission readable language, right? Uh, yes, and then that architecture of the JVM, this one, right? When we created that dot class file, this dot class file is responsible to store or to load the dot class file to the JVM by using the class loader component. Okay, by using the class loader component, it will store in the JVM. Okay, whatever you created class welcome class, that welcome class related code is stored inside the class area. Okay, class area or method area, whatever it is. Okay, see, few of them called class area, few of them called method area also. See here method area. Okay, whatever it is, you should remember this component. I told you already, right? This is the file. I think I can take this one. Because this one, this is the here they have given the dot class file is loading class loader, right? Dot class file loading to the JVM by using the class loader, and class related thing store in the method area or class area. This is the memory of the class area, right? And whatever it is, we created that object. If we created an object in your class, that object related thing information is stored in the heap area. Must and should, you should remember JVM architecture, because they will, some of the interviews will ask JVM architecture and the work of the JVM architecture, the workflow of the flow of the JVM architecture, they will ask. So please remember the how it could load the dot class file, and that whatever it is created class file, where it will store, object where will be stored, and method information where it will store next line. These things you should, basic thing you should remember, right? Ah, is the method execution information, it will store Java stack. Okay, method execution information store Java stack. PC register with next line information it will store. When dot class file is stored, class code is stored in the method area, PC register, it will next line information it will store. Next, what is next? Means after a dot class, there is the object, right? That object will store in the heap area. And PC register, it is detect next what? Next line information, basically. Okay, native method stack means non-Java related code stored in the native stack, right? This is the runtime access. Okay, runtime JVM will do. JVM will do runtime. JVM can't appear to our eyes, right? They can't appear anywhere. But inside the JDK, they have JVM. The JVM component that has these many memories. Some of the interviews will ask how many types of memory in JVM. You should take. You should tell method area, heap area, stack area, PC register area, native stack native method stack. These are the five. These are the five. Uh, these are the five memory in JVM. Okay. Class related thing stored in the method area or class area, and object related thing it will store in the heap area, and method execution information stored in the Java stack, and PC register store in PC register it will detect the next line information, and native method stack it will store a non-Java code, right? And execution engine contain interpreter, right? Interpreter it will in the part of the it is in the part of the compiler only, interpreter, right? It is the Java has a compiler and interpreter and JIT. These things combining in the execution engine, it will performance, it will get the fast by using the JIT. Okay, just in time. We call just in time call. We call, okay, and it will execute. Okay, it will execute and will produce the output, and it will produce as output. Okay, that's all about JVM. Okay, today I discussed these things, right? Today I discussed these things only. Java development, compilation, execution, translators, JVM architecture. Okay, types of the translator and JVM architecture, memory. How could load the dot class file? How we can create the first program? How we execute the first program by using some of the instructions. Okay, and execution flow. Okay, what is the dot class file? These things today we remember. Today we learn, right? If you have any doubts in this, please you can comment in YouTube. Okay, I will give a reply. No issues. Please. Meanwhile, please, yeah, you should subscribe my channel as well, and because it could be boost for me. Okay, encourage for me. If you subscribe my channel, okay, I will give you quality of that quality of the content. I will give. Okay, that's all about today topic. Okay, thank you. Today I am signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.